Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is faith. Believe in yourself, your intellect. Don't worry about your mentor, your best friend, what the world is doing. It was a one-way call. You know what the next step is. No one else can give you that okay. It's time that you follow through. Have faith in what you started. Let's build up to consistency. So let's get started on that work. I am confident and I will achieve my goals. I live in the present and have faith in the future. I firmly believe within my value I truly believe in my value within the universe, which is priceless. So it's time to get moving. It's time to get working, because I can't wait to see what you have for what the world has, what you have for the world, and what the world, they can't wait to you have what you have for it also. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.